Local news for the Thursday, the 17th of October. The median house price for Masterton has risen again. According to Rianne's figures, it's gone up to $415,000. South Wairarapa is sitting at $490,000, down 4.4% on August, while Carterton is up in August 16.9% to $450,000. Wairarapa U Schools Academy Awards Night is happening tonight at Wairarapa College, with over 500 students having completed U Schools Academy programs across the campuses. Partnership Manager Hayden Robinson says buy-in from secondary schools across UCOL's regions has played a big part in the UCOL's Academy success. Saturday night's Hands of Hope boxing event has raised over $7,000 for the New Zealand Breast Cancer Foundation. Dozens put their hands up to get in the ring and fight for charity. The year prior, $4,000 was raised for the Key to Life Trust. And in sport, the Martinborough Tennis Club will hold their open day at 1 o'clock this Sunday, and the last of 6 to be held across the region. And the 2019-20 Speedway season gets underway Saturday night in Palmerston North at the Robinson Holden International Speedway. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.